Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In today's video, we will be learning how to change language on your Reddit application. To change the language setting on Reddit, first of all, open the Reddit app on your device and make sure that you're logged in as well. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. You will then come across this expanded menu. Go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom. Once opening up the Settings menu, tap on Display Language under Language Setting. This will then prompt you to open the Settings app on your device. Simply go ahead and choose Languages option once you end up in this page and select a different language you want to change to from the list. After you do that, your Reddit application will be changed to a different display language of your choice. That's how you easily change display language on Reddit application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.